Now let's look at this figure 21-10B that kind of deals with areas that are considered to be a Class 2, Class 3 Division 2 location in accordance with NEC 500.5D as in dog 2. Now notice they're talking about flyings here that where easily ignitable flyings are stored or handled except in the process of manufacturing. And you know, sometimes they may be too large to circulate in the air. In other words, they settle, but they don't circulate in the air where a flash fire could occur, see. Now, we can learn more about what I'm speaking to you about here in NFPA 499 3.3.7 and A 3.3.7. What I'm speaking to you about is really explained in detail there. So what we're talking about here, see, these ignitable fibers and flyings are being stored or handled, and they're contained. The only way they could get loose is if some kind of accident occurred that would free them. And then you look at the size of them. Are they too large to get into the air and where an arc, a spark could get to them? That kind of thing you need to look at. But you won't find that in the NEC. You have to go over to NFPA 499 and reference starting with your section 3.3.7 and A 3.3.7, then it would be explained so you understand fully when fibers or flyings become a problem, and it's when they're easily ignitable due to a spark, heat, or arc, whatever that may occur. So that's what this figure 21-10B is illustrating to the designer and installer using the NEC.